May we have your thoughts on the statement of Vice President Sara Duterte saying that the President should be held accountable for the arrest of her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte? Sabi po niya, dapat talaga managot ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas because he allowed foreign entity, foreign organization to interfere with our national sovereignty. Your reaction po, Yusek?
Unang-una po, ang pamahalaan po, ang administrasyon po, gumawa po ng hakbang na naaayon sa batas at ito po ay in cooperation with the Interpol. Ang pamahalaan nagsukuman po kay dating Pangulong Duterte. Siya po ay kinukonsiderang isang akusado, isang suspect sa crimes against humanity, particularly murder, na ang nagsampa rin po ay kapwa Pilipino na di umanong biktima ng extrajudicial killings ng madugong war on drugs.
See any basis for the President to be, I mean, isn't this a ground for impeachment? Kasi isa rin po yan sa sinabi ni VP Sara na sabi niya, it's an impeachable offense, it's a culpable violation of the Constitution and betrayal of public trust.
Tama po. Ang opinion na nanggagaling sa ating Vice Presidente ay walang pinanggagalingan, walang basihan.